In today's video, I will walk you through how to add high-low oscillator in Robinhood Legend. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open Robinhood Legend from the official Robinhood platform and make sure you are on the main chart screen where all chart tools and indicators are available. Once you are on the platform, move your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Just below the Add Widget option, locate the Indicators icon. When you find the Indicators icon, click on it to open the Indicators menu. Inside the menu, select Add Indicator to continue. After clicking Add Indicator, a full list of available indicators will appear on your screen. From here, take a moment to scroll through the list, or use the search box to locate high-low oscillator more efficiently. If you choose to use the search box, click on it and type high-low oscillator. As the results appear, select the indicator to add it directly to your chart layout. Once selected, the high-low oscillator will automatically be applied to your chart, and you will see it displayed in the indicator section of your workspace. Take a moment to confirm that it has loaded correctly before continuing. Next, proceed to adjust the indicator settings if needed. Locate the settings option associated with the high-low oscillator and click on it to open the customization panel. Inside the settings menu, review the available configuration options for the indicator. Make any adjustments you need based on your preferred chart setup and trading style. You can modify visual settings and other available parameters shown in the panel to better match your strategy. As you make changes, the chart will update automatically in real time, so you can immediately preview the adjustments. Once you are finished making changes, close the settings panel to apply your updates. The high-low oscillator will remain active on your chart with your selected configuration applied. You can continue working within Robinhood Legend while the indicator stays visible as part of your chart, and return to the settings menu anytime you need further adjustments. That is how you add high-low oscillator in Robinhood Legend and customize it using the settings menu.